These funny doodles are so easy to draw. In this tutorial, I'll show you how step by step. So grab your iPad or sketchbook. Let's get started. I start by drawing the cloud, and for doing this, I will sketch a series of soft bumpy curves connected in a fluffy shape. I will draw a small cloud above this big one. Now I'll add two cute eyes and a cute smile, and I will draw a heart inside this small cloud. I'll adjust the size by using the selection tool. Now I'll start coloring, and for the cloud I'll choose the beige color, and I will choose the red color for the heart here. I will use the same color to draw two cute cheeks. And now I started to add shades here by using the blue color. I use also the smudge tool to make the shadows more natural. And the last thing to do is to add highlights to the heart. The next doodle will be a hand making love sign. For this, I'm gonna draw the hand with those fingers, and I will fix it by using the eraser to remove those lines. And now I will draw a curved line as a thumb. I'm still fixing the hand. And finally, I will use the selection tool to draw a heart. For the heart, I will use light pink, and I will start drawing random lines inside the selected area. Just 3 cute lines, and here is our drawing is ready. For drawing this cute frog, I'll start first by drawing the body, which is a big curved line, and the eyes will be like a circle. I will draw this line inside the body and two cute eyes and a cute smile with pink color. Now I will use the same color to draw two rounded cheeks, and I will draw a cute leaves above the head, and here I'm drawing also this cute clover, and I will start fill my drawings with the colors. For the frog, I will use the lighter green, and I will use beige to color this area. And for shading, I'm using my grainy texture brush to add shadows. I'm doing that on a separate layer using multiply mode. Now I'm using the green olive to create a nice shadings for the cover here. And I will use the same technique to add shadows to the frog. Finally, I'll add highlights to the frog by adding those white lines on an add mode layer. And here two cute white dots to the eyes, and that's it. For drawing those cute smiley emojis, I'll draw a circle, and I'll fix it by tapping on editing, then circle. Now I will draw two cute eyes inside the face. I will use the selection tool to select it and then tap on copy paste. Now I will go to the layer here and duplicate it many times to create many cute faces just like this. Now I'll create a big smile inside this face. I'll do the same as well here. Now I will remove those eyes to make happy eyes. They are just like triangle. Now I'll create this smile also with this cute tongue. Here I'll change the eyes and make them as a big hearts. And a simple smile. Here I'll do the same as well, and I'll start coloring by using different colors. It's optional. You can use my colors or you can even choose whatever you want. And here I'll add cute cheeks to those emojis to make them even cuter. You can add some cute details around those faces like small hearts or tiny lines like this to make the drawing so cute. Now I will start adding shadows by using the same colors. I use multiply mode for creating the shadows and add mode to add highlights. For this step, I'm using the pure white. And here is the drawing is ready. If you draw those cute doodles, don't forget to mention me on Instagram. If you have any questions or recommendations, leave them in the comments below. See you on the next video. Bye bye.